Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to crochet these very simple baskets in three sizes. This is bigger, smaller and middle. The pattern is the same for all three sizes, but how it works I show you in this video. This basket you can use like Easter decoration, and video for these eggs and bunnies can you find in descriptions. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. All baskets I have crocheted with the cotton yarn. This is Catania von Schachenmeier, but you can use any yarn, the same size. And the bigger I have crocheted with 5 yarns together and with crochet hook 5 mm. Middle with 4 yarns together and crochet hook 4 mm, and the smaller with 3 yarns and crochet hook 3.5 mm. In this video I will crochet with 3 yarns and I use crochet hook 3.5 mm. I take all 3 yarns together and start with the magic ring. And crochet first round 9 single crochet in the ring. And 9. And now pull these 3 yarns and close the ring. Mark the last stitch, and from now on we crochet only in the back loops, and we crochet in spiral rounds. Round 2, 2 single crochet in every stitches. Round 3, 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, two single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round, and now we have 24 stitches. Round 4, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, two single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round, and we have 30 stitches. Round 5, I will 10 times increase the stitches. 1 single crochet in first 2 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round, and we have 40 stitches. Round 6, 1 single crochet in first 3 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round, and now we have 50 stitches. Round 7, 1 single crochet in first 4 stitches, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, repeat to the end of round, and we have 60 stitches. I will crochet next 6 rounds one single crochet in every stitches, but if you want you can crochet more rounds. Only in the back loops and one single crochet in every stitches. And this is round 13. For me is the last round. If you want you can more rounds crochet. Finish round with the slip stitch in the next stitch. Cut yarn. And now we can sew all yarns, but not together, but always only one yarn on the back side. Now looks like this. I don't like this last stitch, therefore you can use the little letter label. I don't have. I will crochet this little label. I think so looks better, and that I show you now. For the label I use only one yarn and crochet hook 2 mm, knot stitch, and I crochet 12 chain stitches. Skip the first stitch and one single crochet in every stitches. In the last stitch I crochet 2 single crochet. Now pull this yarn back and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. I have here 4 stitches, and now next round 1 single crochet in every stitches, but only through the one yarn. Two single crochet in the last stitch. Two single crochet in this next stitch. And 1 single crochet to the end of row. Finish work with the slip stitch. Leave 20 cm long yarn. Cut the first yarn. And now we can sew this label. In the middle. And now here, from the back to the front. With only few stitches. Yes, and now I think this looks better. Now sew yarn end. And the basket is finished. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time with a new idea.